Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today, we are going to continue the second lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 1, Parts of a Computer. In previous video, we have learned about the mouse and the CPU. Now, we will learn about the speakers. Dear students, speakers are used to listen to music. Speakers are used to listen to music. Now we will learn about the printer. Dear students, a printer can print all that you write or draw on the computer. A printer can print all that you write or draw on the computer. So my dear students, in this video we have learned about the speakers and the printer. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson and write it in your notebook.